Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have my friend Jenna over here. Y'all seen her in some videos, but my eyes look so good right now. There's now sunglasses on.
We've
Been driving the go-kart around, so we're probably gonna film us driving it, but you won't be able to hear anything.
We're gonna play a song a while. We'll have a song going on while we're driving. Okay.
You're just gonna hear motorcycle. But just a heads up,
It's loud.
it's loud.
I'm gonna be driving.
Some of it, yeah.
Yeah.
We're just eating a little snack.
But don't let it film all the way because I have to do it. Yeah. Film me too. Go faster. Okay. Okay, I'm done, right?